Do stars really twinkle? It's an interesting question. There's an entire song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Have you heard it? It tells us that the stars are twinkling. And when I'm standing here on Earth and I look up at the night sky, the stars really do look like they're twinkling. But those are just my observations, and I want to be sure. So let's set up an experiment to test it out. First, I need a star. My star is a flashlight covered in tinfoil that I've poked a bunch of holes in. And we are going to shine that towards Earth's atmosphere. Right here, I have a big vat of water. Earth's atmosphere is made of all of these particles. And that's the water. I'm also gonna move it a little bit because Earth's atmosphere is always moving. So I've got my big bright star, I have Earth's atmosphere, and now let's try it out. Hey, can someone hit the lights? This is so cool. So our star is shining through Earth's atmosphere and we can see that the starlight is really twinkling. But wait, the star itself right here, it's not moving at all, it's completely still. So what's actually happening is the starlight is shining through Earth's atmosphere. Remember, it's moving a little bit, and as it hits this different material, the light bends. And so as we observe starlight on Earth, that bend of light and the shifting around of our atmosphere, it just makes it look like it's twinkling. So do stars really twinkle? No. If you were to observe a star from space, it is not really twinkling. They just appear to twinkle from our perspective standing here on Earth.
And now a new OMSI version of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, that's not really what you are. You don't twinkle, not at all. You're gigantic, you're not small. Very big, not twinkling star. Now I know just what you are. Very big, not twinkling star. You're so super.